In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, hit this gear at the top of it. Then tap on Theme. Scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. After clicking on the best one for you, manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and tap on Apply to save your new theme. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you prefer to customize it with an image, go back to the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!